Okay, this one says, who is Centro? So we're gonna go check all this stuff out. And we're gonna start at Who is Centro. I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start at Who is Centro. This is Calzada de Teatro, and this is a teatro up there, theater. And just to give you some San Lorenzo, which is St. Lawrence's Church, St. Augustine's Square, Santa Agustinho, and basically this street right here is called Rua Centro. So this used to be, I think I read about it. It used to be like a main shopping street that was parallel with Grand Paya Road. So anyways, we're gonna go up this street. And then we're also gonna just come down and film all this right here. So this is the Dom. It's a theater. I think it's Dom something. Let's just see. So yeah, this is Rua Centro, and then you can kind of see. If you go directly that way, there's Gran Praia Road, which is like the big beach road, and I think this is like a Jesuit. And then you have this nice, beautiful theater right here as well. And it looks like it's actually open today. It was closed for quite a while because of COVID. It looks like they have something going on today, so maybe we'll just step in and just see what it is. There's some other churches here as well. Oh, here we go. Huh. Okay, let's just see here. So 1860, okay. I'm not sure what they got going exactly. Hello. Oh, okay. So I guess they got some private event. I don't know what it is exactly, but they don't want tourists. That's for sure. Okay, this is the Jesuit. So we're gonna go over here and see what this is. They got this sign as well. They got a church going too. $15.91. Okay. So we got Mass. It's Sunday today. It's okay, so we're gonna head into the square and then I'm gonna end the video right here. I might just sit down for a little while. So yeah, this little kiosk is called St. Augustine's Square, I think it's called. Yeah, it's kind of a nice little Portuguese community area. And we're gonna end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.